What if Newton never had the apple fall on his head? Then we would never know the three laws of gravity. This is Newton's first law.
Things in motion travel in a straight line unless there's an external force on it, and on the ground that external force is provided by gravity. Okay, and that's why it would go down on the ground, but here in space things keep going straight, and that's why stuff bounces off the wall. I don't have a good wall to show you, but I have the camera. Okay, Newton's first law. Newton's second law says that force is equal to the mass of the object times the acceleration imposed on it. Okay? F equals ma. You might have heard that. Hey.
Now on to Newton's third law.
For all of you that are sitting in your chairs, that you are putting a force, your weight, on the chair. Okay, motion stay in motion, and you have a force, that's your weight, going down on the earth. So how come you're not moving? Well, because there's an equal force that the chair is imposing on you, so that you are just sitting in your chair, and then there's a force that the floor is imparting on you and the chair. Okay, so where the chair meets the floor, there's the weight of you and the chair, and then there's an equal force that the earth places upon the chair so that you don't move. Okay, because the forces have to equal out. Things at rest stay at rest, and things in motion stay in motion in a straight line unless there's some sort of force imposed on it, like a wall or gravity or your hand, anything. Okay, second law is F equals ma. Very simple equation, but really, really complex when you start to think about it. And maybe you'll work with F equals ma in your class. And the third is, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And think of that every time any kind of force is applied to you. When you're walking, or maybe when you hit a baseball, the motion imposed on the ball, there's an equal force imposed on the bat also, or something like that. So that Sir Isaac Newton, he was a pretty smart guy. And if you just learn the three laws of motion that he came up with, I think you'll go a long way in understanding how things move, and maybe you'll get really excited about science, because it really is fun.